Hello BitTRT followers, welcome to our new video of this week. Today we will start with daily chart, then continue with 4-hour chart without doing 1-hour chart because at this point the current trend of Bitcoin is very aggressive, so we don't think that 1-hour chart will be helpful for us. So today we will just doing this technical analysis on daily and 4-hour chart. Having said that, let's start with daily chart of Bitcoin. Starting with daily chart, we are seeing that the price crossed this area third time, but as we can see here, couldn't stay strong over on it and did a very strong downwards move until touching 9500 support level. And at this point, we are seeing that the price trying to stay over this green line, very strong support level for Bitcoin. And as we can see here, there is a downtrend line here, which is showing upper boundary of this possible downtrend channel. I drew this trend line also, but this trend line is not active. I just drew this theoretically because we need one more touch for using this lower boundary of this channel. This channel is just possible, but not active yet. If this strong downwards move will continue under 9500 support level, probably we will test firstly 18900 and after that we have this 8500 support level, and after that we are seeing that 77, 60 and 7500 around here. But if the price will stay in this possible downtrend channel, probably it will touch this it will move downwards until touching this yellow trend line. As we can see here, it's very old and very trustful, this yellow trend line, very strong support line for Bitcoin. If the price will continue to downwards until touching this yellow trend line, it will be very good for Bitcoin because after touching this trend line, probably the price will find the optimal point for starting an uptrend move, and all of the buyers of Bitcoin probably will want to buy Bitcoin at this point because this downwards move probably will work on an opportunity move for long-term buyers of Bitcoin also. So our long-term expectation is touching this yellow trend line one more time, which is around 7100, around this level. But for short term, we are seeing that the price is still trying to stay over this green line, and as long as the price stay over this 9800 support level, we can expect one more upwards move, maybe to the 10300 resistance level one more time. But as long as the price stay under this trend line, we are seeing that this trend line worked very well, and as long as the price stay under this trend line, I will wait more downtrend move for general trend of Bitcoin. But for short term, we can see an upwards move until touching this trend line. But I'm expecting that this upwards move probably will be very short, and general trend will go on with downwards until touching this yellow trend line. That's what I'm expect for Bitcoin, both short-term and long-term expectations. We are continuing with 4-hour chart, and we are seeing that the price is still trying to stay over this green line, and as long as the price stay over on it, we can expect upwards move for short-term trend of Bitcoin. If we will see a bit flat move over this green line, after that we can think that the price is balancing the sell pressure with buy pressure, and after that maybe we can see an upwards move to the next resistance line, which is 10,300, and maybe the price can cross this one, and until touching this trend line, the white one. But I don't think that the price can cross this resistance level easily, because as we can see here, the sell pressure is very strong, and probably every upwards move will work an opportunity for sellers of Bitcoin. So that I don't think that this upwards move will continue for long term. As long as the price stay under this white trend line, this upper boundary of this possible downtrend channel, as long as the price stay under on it, I'm expecting downwards move for general trend of Bitcoin. But for short term, as I already mentioned, that the price can move up until touching this 10,300, but after that we will see the price will cross it or not. If the price can cross it, the next target will be 10,800, but probably this white trend line will work a good point for sell pressure. So I'm still expecting downwards move for Bitcoin for long term, but for short term, as I already said, as long as the price stay over this green line, probably the price will skews between this green line and this white trend line, this upper boundary of this possible channel. So after that we will see the main trend of Bitcoin, and after that we will see the price will cross this white trend line, or it will continue to move downwards until touching this yellow trend line. So we are watching this green line for short term trend of Bitcoin, but again, as long as the price stay under this white trend line, general trend of Bitcoin is still negative and downwards. Thanks for watching us. This is it for today. If you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe us. We will also continue to make technical analysis on 1 hour chart of Bitcoin tomorrow. So see you tomorrow for the next video. I wish nice trades for everyone.